Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thank you so much for ordering your vertical business cards with us. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to upload them. Now, I just want to give you a little bit of warning. The preview thing on Vistaprint has changed and it looks totally jacked up. So I'm going to show you the way to make sure that your files are okay. So, because I test them all before we actually put them on the shop. So they should work. They do work. So we're going to go ahead and click on Upload Design, and then we want, standard vertical. For some reason that is different than it was about 5 minutes ago, but okay. Then we're going to click on Upload Your Design, and click on Upload Logo or Image. And we are going to upload the front of our card first. There we go. It looks great there, right? I know. That's how it's going to look when it prints, but I want to go ahead and walk you through this whole thing first. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload our back, which is actually our never list, but on my purposes right now, I'm just calling it back. And we've got that there. So when we click on next, it's going to show you this and you're going to freak out because you're like, oh my God, that looks terrible. What is going on? So I'm going to show you that in fact it's okay. So what you do is you click on preview and you're going to go ahead and say download PDF proof and click on get PDF proof. So I've already done this. So I'm going to show you what it actually looks like. So you see how that looks? That looks like the way it's supposed to, right? That is actually how it's going to print out when it prints. So if you are freaking out at all, just go ahead and click on that preview and then it will actually download that PDF file to you. So then we're going to go ahead and click over to next and we're going to go ahead and say yes, continue. So ignore this because it's horrid. And then we're going to go to our file and they're going to ask us what kind of paper we want, whatever you want to get. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that, whatever. I'm going to add it to my card. So you can go ahead. This is all what you want it to be. See in there, it looks normal there, right? So that's actually what you're getting. So yay. That preview is freaky though. Freaked me out. And then we're going to go ahead to our cart. And it's going to try and get you to add a bunch of other crap to your cart, which you probably don't need. But we're just going to go ahead and say continue to our cart. Continue to cart. And then just a cool thing for you once you get to your cart is, sorry, my internet is somewhat slow living here in the woods. I do have fast internet as well, but it drops. So it's not even worth dealing with for these. So anyways, Rakuten is what I use to save a ton of money. You can use it on Vistaprint, on all these other things. I just used it, I think, on Anthropology the other day. It's super cool. So you get cash back, and then it also tells you like really good coupons. So if you click on, I have sent you a link for it in your email with the files. If you don't have it already, you get $30 off on your first use of it. I also get $30 for when you sign up and use it. So just being right out in the open about that, but I use it all the time and it's kind of nice getting that cashback check. So that is how you upload your vertical business cards. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and please email me. Apparently I'm very popular right now. Lots of emails coming in and I will help you if you need any help. So thanks a lot and thanks for shopping with us.